Kayla with WTI, and if you want to protect your Acorn grill, I would definitely get this Char Griller grill cover to keep it nice and safe. We have an Acorn grill that we've had for, I want to say 6 years now, and it's been through some weather, let's just say. This is made of a polyester and vinyl, so it holds up really nicely against the weather. We purchased the same exact cover because we loved this grill cover so much the first time. It's made of a really good quality and it covers the entire grill from top to bottom. I like that it's even long enough to cover that bottom storage area on the grill. We live in an area that sees lots of different elements, from sun to rain to snow to freezing temperatures throughout the year, and our grill stays outside all year long. This grill cover really allows our Acorn to stay protected and last as long as possible. So if you want to protect your Acorn with a nice quality, durable grill cover, I would hands down recommend this Char Griller grill cover. But that's just my point of view.